everyone, and welcome to another video here at Lurvey's. Hi, I'm Jill, and today I thought I'd show you what I put together for our container class, for our winter container class. This is just an example of our 12-inch container. First I start with a spruce top and put that in the middle. And then what I've done is I've started with some Fraser fir, and I'm just going to give everything a clean edge as I go around and place each piece around the spruce. And that's okay, I'm going to cover that piece right there with another piece. And some of these I've already lopped off. I'm going to put that in like that. Come back in. And because I'm just going to see this planter from the front, I'm just going to plant the front half and not worry so much about what the back looks like. So I'm just using the beautiful face of each branch. As you see, there's a back and a front, and I'm using the beautiful front. So I'm just placing those in here into our soil. And of course I want to cover up a few pieces like that. And again, just for a little more height. Okay, now what we're going to use is some beautiful incense cedar, and I've already cut a few of these. And again, what's nice about the incense cedar is that it has these beautiful little berries on there, and it's just a nice little highlight for your container. Plus it adds another texture, right? And another color. And I'm just going to come in and make sure that the front of my pot is done. And say you want to cover the lip of the pot, so this would definitely be something that would hang over a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to add one more large piece to the center, like that. It just naturally hangs like that. And I think one more piece would be good. Okay, another thing that we use in our classes is I usually go ahead and use the dogwood branches. So I'm going to place those around and see how they naturally flow. And of course, this adds some interest and more height to my pot. And I think I'll just add one more on this side. And you want to kind of turn your pot as you're going to make sure that you can see all the edges. All right. Another thing that we add in our container classes is pine cones. So I'm going to come in and just add a few pine cones. And don't worry, if your stick is showing, you can always come back in and add some more greens. And I'm just going to put maybe 3 or 4 in there. Put them down like that, and maybe one more back here for some height. And then I can just come back in, add another piece of Fraser, and kind of cover up my stick so that doesn't show. See how perfect that is? Okay. Now, another thing we do in our classes is we add some wonderful little berries. And what I like to do is, because they are on wires, I like to separate them a little bit and then place them in. And automatically you just have some wonderful color. And this is perfect for the winter season. Christmas lasting into January and February just adds a nice little pop of color to your greens. Okay, so I think I'll just do one more maybe down here. And like I said, what's nice about these is that you can spread them out once you get them in, and spread them out a lot or just a little bit, whatever you like. So everyone, this is our finished container, and I think it just turned out beautiful. What I've done is I've gone ahead and added a few more beautiful greens, some variegated cedar, and also a few more ornaments. We carry a lot of different colors, a lot of different styles, you know, just to add a little more something to your pot for the holidays. So I hope you've enjoyed this little talk about containers and what we offer here at Lurvey's. Make sure you come and check out the classes that we have coming up for winter. You can look on our website. Also check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and I hope that you'll come in and enjoy this beautiful holiday season with us here at Lurvey's. See you next time.